Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Arrested on Cam, and the title of the video is Man Drives Off from Police After Being Kicked Out of Strip Club. My boy was trying to get right up in there. You hear me? Make it rain, baby. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about.
What's going on?
How's it going, sir?
What's going on?
Listen.
Yes.
They're already giving me a refund paper because they charged me a certain amount. There's nothing. There's no service. There's no nothing. Nothing went down. They know that. They said the same thing and say, hey, you know what? Don't worry about it. I'll give you a refund. I said, okay, cool. I gave them cash. So what does that mean? They have to give me the same cash refund. It's not card. It's not anything. Okay, good.
This kind of sounds like a civil matter. So.
Yeah, it's easy.
Okay.
Real easy. Straightforward.
Okay. We're just gonna
It's
hang
an
out
easy
for a
fix.
minute.
No, that's what I said.
You want to fill out your
Same
paper?
thing.
Fill
Fill it out.
Yeah, fill out your
Fill it
paper.
out.
This is
Stop
irrelevant
refusing.
here.
Filling
This is
it
irrelevant
out.
here. I'll fill it out regardless,
Okay.
but it's irrelevant.
Okay.
It's the same thing.
We have
Good.
a lot to do.
Today's date.
27th. 10/27/24.
That's 100% fact.
Okay, you have to write exactly what you expected to get and what did you not get.
I expected
What
to
did you
get.
expect to get?
I
What
don't
did
know.
you come out here and tell me you expected to get?
Bro,
Put
it's
it down, put it
whatever
down.
you said.
No, put it down.
Whatever you said. And guess what?
What?
Nothing. In terms of time. Time tells everything.
Look, you're saying you
Nothing
expected
from
to
the
get
time that I
nothing.
even stepped over to the time that I'm here was happened. So it doesn't matter
Why are
what
you yelling?
happened.
Oh.
Zero time happened.
Buddy.
So that's
Sir.
it. That's it.
Can you not yell?
No, I hear you, but zero time happened. So it doesn't matter what it is.
Okay.
Nothing is
They have to
what I.
have a reason to give you a refund. Do you understand? So I'm trying to get you to fill it out.
Listen. Just give me
Right,
my refund.
right.
I think you already know exactly what's going on here.
Okay,
It's just cash.
We
It's just
fax
cash.
it.
I gave you $200 cash, and you know that.
Okay, so
And that's it.
there's a safe right there behind
know,
her,
so I'm
and
waiting.
nobody here has access to that safe. Do you
Oh, you
understand?
do. How'd you put it in there?
We don't touch the safe. The armored car company opens the safe once a
Right,
week,
okay.
and then corporate has to go through
Right,
everything
right,
that's in that
All right,
safe.
guys
buddy,
hear
so-
this,
You can either fill that out
No, you
or
guys
we're just
do it.
gonna leave. So you're gonna be trespassing.
Brother, I guess so. I guess I'm gonna have to do
So look, so this is like a civil issue at this
No,
point.
I get it.
So
I get that
listen
they're
to
just
me. I'm
taking it
talking.
from me.
I'm talking.
I know.
They're
But
trying
so,
to give
see
you your
this.
money back, but there's a policy and
I don't think
procedures they have to follow.
Yeah, but they're not.
Okay.
Okay, but they are. But you're
I get
being
it.
hard-headed. You don't want to do it.
And
so
I'll go.
at this point, you're gonna be trespassed from here if you don't leave. And within 10 seconds, I'm gonna arrest you for trespassing.
All right.
Fine, let me ride.
Go ahead. Doors that way.
Cool. That's what we're doing? You guys agree? Can I take this with me then?
You can take it with you.
Great. Paralegal, no. And this shit will be shut down. Easy.
Thank you very much.
Anything else for us?
No.
Hey, my boy was in there trying to get right. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck, man. He was trying to get right, man. You know what I mean? If you know, you know, all right? But apparently nothing happened. Or he wasn't satisfied with the service or whatever. And I think when she asked him, what services did you want? What did you tell me before? He didn't want to say it, like, because you got cops there, you got, you know what I'm saying? Certain things, I don't know where they at, but, you know, the services that he looking for, you know, it's a little bit more than just a lap dance. Let's just put it like that. You feel me? So he probably didn't want to necessarily have to say it or write it down, because that's crazy to actually have to print it, you know? So yeah, I can see him being a little, he's kind of in a pickle, you know what I mean?
Hopefully not. Night. Hopefully not too many people like that.
Yeah.
If you need us, call us.
Thank you guys. Well, it's 3:24. We've done good so far.
Hey,
I wish I was, dude.
hey. If you drive away in this car, I will arrest you for DUI.
Why? Nobody's doing it.
All right. You want to do exercises to dispel my belief, or you just want to get out the
None
car?
of that, dude.
You're not
None
drunk?
of that exists.
All right. You've been slurring your words.
Absolutely not, man. I don't know what you're saying. with any of that.
Well, I'm speaking the American
I
language.
don't agree with any of those terms. I don't know what you're saying with that, man. I'm telling you that these girls are playing a weird game, and I don't play with any of that, dude. I came here to drop off something that I was meant to do, and it was 20 cases because that's what I was supposed to do with Sushi Song.
Okay. What about Garden of Eden?
Sorry?
What about Garden of Eden?
With Garden of Eden, that's something that I played.
Okay. So the point I'm getting at is I
get these for free because I work here.
Oh, okay.
I work at these places.
So do you want to get out of the car?
I work at these places.
All right, get out of the car.
I work at these places.
Get out of the car.
Places, man.
Step out of the car, sir.
I don't know what you mean, man.
Step out of the car is what I mean.
This is illegal.
Sir.
This is illegal search
Okay,
and
great.
seizure.
Step out of the car.
This is illegal search
Step out of the car.
We're giving you a lawful order.
Sir,
Sir, step out of the car.
This is illegal.
Sir?
Is your body cam on?
It is.
Of course it is. Sir, please step
this
out of the
is
vehicle.
illegal search and seizure.
No, it's not.
Sir, please step out of the
Absolutely it
vehicle.
is. I haven't had a drink since.
Hey.
Look, no, I'm not. Look, I'll put it on park. I'll put it on park. Sir.
Out of the car.
Please, look, I'll move. Hey, listen, I'll move. Sir, I'll move. I'll move. Relax.
Hey!
Whoa! Oh! He bugging. Oh, he took off with the cop reaching inside like that? Oh yeah, he's done, boy. He's done, boy. He could have dragged the cop if the cop was holding on like to something on the inside. Oh boy. Yeah, it's over.
8-9 from 9-7.
Ooh. Come on, move.
9-7 copy.
See, these little streets like this is dangerous, bruh. Doing a police chase in the city. I ain't gonna lie, I would have been out already. I ain't gonna lie.
Get out of the car. Step out of the car.
Get out of the vehicle.
Out of the car. Out of the car. Let me see your hands.
Hold up. Listen, if you knew and this is your first time watching me or whatever, you wouldn't know this. But the subscribers, bro, when we do police chases, I be saying, I'm like, yo, why do they always go on the run? Because eventually you gonna run out of gas and you gonna need, what happens when you run out of gas? Bruh got stopped at the Circle K gas station, bruh, trying to pump his gas, man. That's crazy.
Out of the car. Step out.
Step out of the vehicle.
Step out.
Why?
Because she said so.
Okay. Why though? Can you tell me why? Or... You guys gonna tell me something?
Yeah, something. We'll talk about it. Hold on.
Okay.
Alright. Let's sit over here. Take a few steps back.
Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Alright.
So what's going on?
What's going on? You fled from the police.
From what situation?
From that situation right there. Remember me? Fucking coward. Get up. Get the fuck up.
Hey,
come
bro,
on, get up.
hey,
Go.
Have a seat for a second.
Sit.
Oh yeah, he pissed, boy. Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now. That boy gonna go down there and he gonna get some of this, boy. He gonna get hit with some of that act right, boy. Did you see the way the officer was like, "Get you coward, get up"? Oh yeah, you gonna get some of that act right, boy. They gonna get you together, boy. Oh yeah.
So, I don't know you, you don't know me, okay? So the reason that I'm here is we have your car, we towed it, and we're seeking civil forfeiture of your car. So we're seizing it, okay? This paperwork says, you can shake your head all you want. So this paperwork says, okay, so this paperwork has all of the information of when you need to request a hearing and all of that. So this is important, okay? Do you have a phone number that we can get to get into contact with you? If there's no phone number?
I don't know.
Okay, sounds good. So we can't get in contact with you other than writing you a letter, just so you know. So if there's any updates to the court case on the seizure hearing and stuff like that, we can't call you.
I don't know.
You understand?
What seizure you're talking about, man?
Your car. Okay, so just no phone number? Okay, so we're gonna put refuse for phone number. So we don't have one.
I'm a lawyer here, man.
Okay, sounds good. So are you gonna sign this piece of paper? It's not an admission of guilt or anything?
I don't have anything to sign here, man.
Okay, sounds good. So we're gonna do double signatures for refusal. He can go. I'll get him a copy. It'll be in your paperwork, okay? So your car is in our possession, okay? So look for a notice for that. Thank you, sir. Okay, sounds good.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.